National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clay County in southwestern Georgia, southwestern Randolph County in southwestern Georgia, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Gaines, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Gaines, Cuthbert, Belleville, Days Crossroads, Harrison's Mill, Springvale Station, Walter F. George Lake, Zeto, Carnegie, Crossroads, Peterson Hill, Coles, Pecan, Randolph Company Airport, Shivers Mill, Coleman, Jones Crossing, Bethel, Sutton's Corner, and Springvale. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Georgia. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Clay and Randolph.